Nope. Wrong one. Can I get that one?
That one.
There you go.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah. You gotta go up.
Woo!
Yeah, I know Jossie did too. You gotta go up. Here you go. Try again. Nope. There you go. Nope. In the middle. There you go. You smart girl.
Makes me happy. I'm glad y'all had a good time.
Yeah, we did. Does this happen often? Does this happen often?
What, party?
Yeah.
Well, that party we throw every 4th of July. We have that.
Where y'all going?
Relaxing today.
I bet it's hot out there.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Is that where Mama is?
No, she was just blow drying her hair. Ready to go. So we got to do some laundry and get some stuff packed. Oh, something I love it.